turning shortfalls into stepping stones, aiming higher after falling short. Sometimes we aim for a target, put in our best, yet we fall short. It's discouraging, but it's not the end. Remember, falling short is not synonymous with failing. It's simply a part of the journey, a stepping stone to something greater. Growth springs from the soil of failure. Every shortcoming provides valuable lessons that can guide your journey towards your goal. Next time, don't just aim for the same target. Aim higher. You've grown, learned, and improved. Your targets should reflect that growth. See every shortfall as an opportunity to stretch, to reach further. Remember that the arrow must be pulled back before it can fly forward. Life doesn't reward us for staying in our comfort zones. It's when we dare to aim higher, even after falling short, that we truly excel. In conclusion, when we fall short, we shouldn't lower our expectations. Instead, we should aim higher, always strive for more. That's where true success lies.